So these two things are not mutually exclusive. And what am I talking about, guys? I'm talking about your life and your spirituality. They're not separate categories. The other day I was chatting with someone and she was talking about the spiritual component of her life, and then she was talking about the work component of her life. And I was like, no, you don't box spirituality into a corner, because your life is the spiritual experience. Maybe you've seen that meme that says you're not a physical being having a spiritual experience. You're a spiritual being having a physical experience. And because of that, everything in your life is spirituality. Washing the dishes can be a huge spiritual experience for you, walking the dog, doing your laundry. And if you feel like, what? Alex, my life sucks. What are you talking about? It's because the route back home to yourself is the degree to which you know yourself as the light, and to your awareness about what's really going on, and what using your senses to really experience this life, so that life doesn't just become blah and then your excitement comes from the occasional spiritual practice, right? That you've been taught maybe something fancy. Your spiritual experiences can be here and now, and they are here, and they are your life. So if you're struggling in your life, if you want more guidance on this concept, or how do I make your life already is spiritual, but how do I feel that my life is this spiritual experience versus blah, and then the occasional spirituality, healing, or meditation, or something like that? Let's talk about that and work together to create that real deep understanding that your life is a spiritual experience. So life and spirituality, hand in hand, not two separate categories. If you want more guidance on this, just message me, comment below, and let's chat further. But it's so good to be here today, and have a wonderful weekend. I'll talk to you soon.